Hey guys, did you know AI can make a video like this? Let's watch it.
This is it, boys. We're making history tonight.
Everybody down on the floor.
This is a robbery.
All units, robbery in progress.
We have you surrounded. Put your weapons down.
Amazing, right? I mean, none of the clips in the video are real. Everything is generated using AI, including the video, the voiceover, music, and the script. Are you wondering how? Well, today I'm going to show you 8 insane AI video generator tools that can create videos just from your image or text. And in the end, I'm going to tell you all the tools I use to create this video. So make sure you stick around till the end. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. First up, we have Pika. This is an image to video tool that is incredibly easy to use, and it will let you animate your images in any way you want, like this one. Just go to this website and click Join Beta. To use this tool, you need to have an account on Discord, so accept the invite to join. Alright, now you can use any of these channels to start generating your animation. Just select one. Now here, enter /create. Click +1 and select image. Now upload the image you want to animate. Then here, describe what you want to happen in the image. And finally, press enter. There you go, we've got the video. Let's play it. Actually, this is really nice. Well, on the downside, the video duration will only be 3 seconds. But it's free and you can easily download the video too. Up next, we have Genmo.ai. This tool is really cool for landscapes and the animation feels like a time lapse. Check this out. So just go to Genmo.ai and click Get Started. Select Upload, click here, and upload the image that you want to animate. Now you need to enter a caption describing what you want to happen in the image. Here you will have a default caption. If you want to add a new caption, just click here and then enter what you want. In the same way, you can add any number of captions you want based on what you want to happen in your video. Alright, now you can go and use these tools to customize the result you want. In Genmo, you can generate videos up to 12 seconds. Now unlike other tools, Genmo lets you animate any particular part of your image. You can use the brush tool to select the area you want to animate. Now click Make Video. And you can see we've got an amazing video just like how we described. Incredible, right? To download the video, just click Download and save it. Now Genmo provides 100 turbos each day, which means you can create up to 8 animations for free every day. Isn't that cool? Alright, next we have Kaiber.ai. Kaiber is a paid tool, but it gives you a free trial for 7 days and 10 free credits as a new user. This tool creates animations that are simply mind-blowing. It has many cool effects too. Here's a sample footage I made. To create something like this, go to Kaiber.ai, click Start Free Trial, and log in. Now Kaiber lets you animate your images in 2 styles. The first one is like a flipbook shown here and also with motion effects like this. But this style is included only in the Pro plan. So if you want to try it, you can check out their plans. Alright, let's try animating our image. Just click here and upload the image you want. Now click Continue to Prompt. And here you need to describe the subject of your video. You can either enter it or you can click here and Kaiber will automatically identify the subject. Now here you can describe the style of animation you want, or you can select the default styles from here. Now click video settings and select the duration you want. Now as I told you, this tool has a pro plan, with which you can generate up to 4 minutes of video. You can choose the camera movements and even add audio. But in the free plan, you get only 10 seconds of video. So let's select it. Now if you want a higher quality video, make sure to keep this value low. Alright, now click generate previews. And here you'll get different previews. You can choose the one you like and click create video. There you go, we've got our video. Looks cool, right? You can also download it by clicking here. Okay, next up we have Runway ML. Now this is one of my favorite tool of all. But before we start, let me give you a heads up because this tool is getting a lot of traffic and there's a chance that it can become a paid tool. In that case, you might have to purchase a plan to use it. Alright, the output that this tool creates is simply the best there is. It creates really immersive videos from the images that you upload. Let's see how to use it. Go to runwayml.com, click image to video and upload your image. Now click generate and that's all. You can see it has created a video. So let's play it. Wow, a completely 3-dimensional video with a camera movement too. So cool, right? Now if we add some music, this is how it looks. Imagine how creative you can get using this tool. You can even make an entire movie with this. I'm not kidding, I hear people are already doing it. So check it out and note that this tool can create videos only up to 4 seconds. Alright, the next tool we are going to see is DID. This tool makes your images talk.
Hi, I'm an AI avatar, and I can talk.
Imagine making anyone say anything that you want in a realistic way. Cool, isn't it? To use it, just go to did.com. Now to use this tool for free, you have to log in with Google. So just go here, click login and use Google. Now click create video and here you will find some default avatars. You can choose what you want. Now here type something that you want the avatar to speak. Select the language, the voice and the style you want. Now click generate video and there you go. We have a talking avatar.
AI has captured the imagination and attention of people globally.
Now instead of a default avatar, you can upload your own image too. Just click here and add your image. Now instead of typing the text, you can also upload an audio file. Just click here and add your audio file. Now click generate and your video is ready. Hi, I'm Brian and this is my AI avatar. Alright, so far we've seen the tools that can convert images to videos. Coming up next, we're going to look at some awesome text to video tools. These tools can create videos just from your text. So first, we have Pictory.ai. This is easily one of the best tools I've tried. It can convert your entire script to a video. You can also convert existing articles from the web, edit videos using text, and convert visuals to video too. Alright, let's try creating a video. Just click proceed here. Now give a name for your video. And just type the script. Then click proceed. Select a style for your video. And you can see it is processing our video. And that's it. It has automatically created a video from our script. And click here to see the preview. We have visuals, music and text. Impressive, right? Now it lets you edit your video too. Here you can see we have different tools and it has broken down our script into different scenes. So you can just select the scene you want and make your edits. If you want to change any visual, just go here. And you will find many stock footage. You can also upload your own video here. Now if you want to explore the audio, just go here and you can choose the background music, add voiceover, or even upload your own audio. Once you're ready, just click download and you can see the video file here. Now, the downside of this tool is you get to create only 3 videos on the free trial with a watermark on it and only up to 10 minutes each. So if you want more than that, you have to get a paid plan. Alright, next we have 𝗀𝗲𝗋. This tool is ideal for corporate use or for professionals. It can convert your text to professional looking videos and it has a great library of templates to choose from. Let's see how it works. Just go to 𝗀𝗲𝗋.com, sign up for free. Now you can preview and choose any template you like and select the format you want. Now click use, select text to video, and here you can add a URL. This can be a link to your blog or article and it will automatically import it and create a video. If you have a script, you can just copy paste it as well. I'm going to paste the script here. And click continue. Now it will show you the summary of the script along with the video duration. You can go through and click continue. Click convert. And you can see it has created some scenes. To see a preview, just click here and you can see the video. Now if you want to edit it, you have the options here to change the visuals. You can choose any footage here or you can also upload your own footage. For music, and you can go here, choose tracks or upload your audio. If you want to add a voiceover, you can use this option and record your voice. Okay, if you're ready, click publish and you will get the video. You can also download it by clicking here. Now note that in this tool, you will get a credit scene added at the end of the video like this. If you don't want that, you will have to upgrade the plan. Alright, the last tool which we are going to see is SteveAI. What's unique about this tool is it can create cool animation videos like this. Where you have a character, text, voiceover, music, etc. All you need to do is just give it your script. Let's see how it works. Go to steve.ai. In text to animation, click start. Now just enter the script for your video. And here, enter what your video is about. Click next. And choose the design style you want. And that's all. It has created a video and the scenes. You can click here to see the video.
Myths vs. Facts. Today, we'll debunk some common misconceptions and shed light on the real truths behind them. Let's get started. We only use 10% of our brain.
Amazing, right? You can now go ahead and edit the video. If you want to change the layout of this scene, click change layout and select the one you want. Let's go to the next scene. Say you want to change this character. Just select it and click change character. And you have a wide variety of characters to choose from. Select one and you'll get it. Now let's change the action this character is doing. Just click here and select the action you want. And you can see a preview here. Alright, now I'm going to add a voiceover to the video. Click here And you can either record your own voice or you can click here, go to voice and choose any voice here. Preview it,
Hello, I am Joanna from Steve.
click generate and it will be added. For music, you can go here and click this. And you'll have a ton of music to choose from. Select one. And it'll be added. Easy. Once you're done, click publish.
Today,
And we have
we'll
got a
debunk
final
some
video
common
here.
misconceptions and shed light on the real truths behind them. Let's get started. We only use 10% of our brain. You've probably heard this one before. We only use 10% of our brain. But the fact is we use nearly every part of our brain, just not all at once.
Now the free plan is limited to 720p quality. So if you want a better quality video, you can upgrade here. Okay, so that's it guys. I've given the links to all the tools in the description below. Check them out and let me know which one you think is the best. Now remember I told you I'll show you how I made this video using AI? Well, I've got an exclusive video for that, where I've covered a step-by-step procedure to make an entire movie with AI. So you can check it out here. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.